Today, we're going to be showing you 10 life hacks.
One.
Up first is the Ninja Fold, which is a quick way to fold your shirts. Here's how it looks. So for this, you're using 3 points on an imaginary line. The first point starts where the collar would be and the start of the sleeve. The second point on that line is just the middle of the shirt. Pinch both spots. Then take your left hand and drag it to the end of the line, which would just be the end of the shirt. Then lift up and fold over.
2.
So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I try to get something out of my drawer, this is basically how it looks. So another thing you could do is stack your clothes vertically instead. It's almost like a filing cabinet, so when you want to get something, this is all you have to do. To put a shirt back, just put it at one of the ends.
3.
Now, college students know, sometimes your room just stinks and you don't have any air fresheners around. So what you could do instead is take dryer sheets and tape it to your AC. Once you turn your AC on, the cold air goes through the dryer sheets and circulates through your room, making it smell good again.
4.
I hate trying to find that spot where you can start peeling the tape. So what you could do instead is take a paper clip or even a bread clip and put it there every time. That way it's easy to find.
5.
So I think this is the easiest way to separate an egg. All you need for this is a water bottle. Just take your water bottle and put it over the yolk. Then squeeze. The water bottle will suck in the yolk. To let it out, just squeeze again. Easy, right?
6.
You can actually make a mini shovel out of an empty milk jug. Here's the outline of it. You might want to pause the video at the end. Now just cut along it. And there you go.
7.
So my microwave is terrible. Whenever I'm heating something, it's always hot around the edges and cold in the center. So what you could do with leftovers like spaghetti is just make a circle in the middle before you heat it up. This allows it to heat up more evenly so you don't have that cold center.
8.
So when you need an ice pack, most people put ice in a tissue or washcloth, but that drips everywhere. Instead, take a sponge and soak it in water. Then take a Ziploc bag and put the sponge in it. Then just keep it in the freezer until you need it. And there's your ice pack that doesn't drip.
9.
So in the summertime, if I'm going somewhere, what I like to do is take a water bottle and put it in the freezer. But since I can't really time it right, it always ends up looking like this and I have to wait for it to start melting. So here's what you can do instead. Take your water bottle and fill it halfway. Then put it in the freezer. When you take it out, it will be half frozen. Fill the rest with water. You can also add juice as long as you don't mind it getting a little diluted.
10.
Nowadays, we don't really memorize phone numbers, we just put it on our phone. The problem is, my phone always dies. So here's what I do. I write down just a few important phone numbers on a piece of paper. I then take that piece of paper and put it on the back of my phone. That way, even if my phone dies, I still have those contacts and I can use someone else's phone to call them. This is useful in case of emergencies. Thanks for watching, guys. If you thought this video was helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below. It really does help us out. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these videos. Thanks again, guys.